Wasn't even paying attention. Let's go. Okay, I'm kind of scared. Oh my god, I'm rubber banding. Oh my god. They do have a leather cock, dude. I need to change the settings. Oh, someone on my team just died. That's not good. Is that the Julie or... Yeah, that's not good. Welp. Don't think we're winning this one, guys. Probably not winning this one, guys. Stupid fucking... A Bones, Cook, and Leatherface. Actually, this might be kind of easy if the Leatherface isn't the best. That'd be too bad. Hello? Dude, this kind of takes a while. Hold still. Nice. Feels good, don't it? I need my teammate to get the other one. Oh, shit. I need a tool. Go, go, go! Will they just open this? Wait, why hasn't she turned the other one yet? Oops.
Sonny? I thought you were dead.
Why didn't he turn this? The fuck? Oh. Nice. Oh, there's... Why is there two chickens right there? Ooh. Nice.
I should see what that is.
Brother. Oh, shit. Got a toolbox over here? I don't even know where the toolboxes are over here. Hello? Yeah, I like do not know this part of the map like at all. Hi, the toolbox.
There's gotta be something I can use around here. I can use these.
Nice. Wait, we actually escaped. Let's go. Let's go, gamers. Let's go. Please, God, help me. Please, God, help. Quiet people to hang out with, you know what I mean? And there's always going to be people who, like, in between that, too, you know what I mean? I don't know. It's hard to explain, but yeah, I do appreciate you supporting me, though, and being here. Like I said, even if it's only for, like, 10 minutes or whatever, like, I don't really care. I hope, like, people who come in, like, never really feel like they have to be here, like, too long, you know what I mean? Because just, like, having someone to kind of talk to every now and then is nice, you know? Okay, I think this is a baby Bubba, maybe? Not really sure. It's not really playing super aggressively. Okay. It should be a pretty easy game. But yeah, how long did you play Dead by Daylight today, by the way? I won't really be able to see the chat, I'm sorry. But hope you got some good escapes. And you said you were playing duo, so I assumed obviously you're playing Survivor. Well, look who's... Yeah, I'm trying to practice Victim right now a little bit. 'Cause I've been practicing my Bubba a lot, but I don't really play Victim. Okay, let's see, is there a toolbox over here? Okay, they haven't noticed that I'm over here yet, so that's good. I think we do have 50 proficiency, so we can do the battery first, maybe? See if this guy... Okay, they haven't noticed. Not really sure why the hitchhiker didn't trap the battery. Okay. Should be able to escape here. The hands can rip stall. Question is he coming? Okay, cool. Nice. Nice and easy, quick. See what our teammates are doing here. Just for... Oh, this person's AFK. Oh, nice. The Virginia's doing Fuse. She have Sabo? She does not have Sabo. Very interesting choice to not have Sabo. She's going more toughness, looks like. She's got the toughness. So what's his name can ripstall this? But I think the hand and like convert it into the proper file. So I'm like editing my videos to be higher quality now because I thought I was already doing that, but I guess I wasn't. So now it's like the videos are taking like 2 times longer. Luckily my laptop's like pretty decent to do the conversion, but okay, they do have a leather face. They got the OGs? Yeah, they got the OGs. Playing that a little weird. But who am I to judge? Don't have my ability yet, so I need to be careful here. Okay. See if the cook locked the sliding door or not. There's a trap on it. And cook is locking it. Okay. That is an interesting play. Does have stronger locks. Okay, probably not going that way. Hitchhiker should be resetting his trap. So I'm gonna try maybe over here. Might be a trap here though, I'm guessing. No? Okay, Cook just killed someone. Oh, there's no lock on this, what the hell? That's kind of weird. Weird. Okay. So they lock and trap the sliding door, but then they put nothing on the red door. Left facility. Weird. Or right facility. Trap. Oh, is there a trap right here? No? Okay. Alright, and the cook is here for some reason. I do gotta say, this cook is kind of a god at figuring out where I am. It's a little interesting. Oh, okay. Should be able to get this open. Yeah, this should be a GG. Okay. Run past the chicken. A little bit of BM with the chicken. Give him a chance to get over here. And GG. And a little bit of going in here. A little bit of BM. GG easy. Nice. GG.